Hey, if you wonder how you can change the language of your Huawei Band 9, there's like two ways. The first one, you will have to actually change the language of your smartphone. So if you want to get, for example, English on your Huawei Band 9, you have to actually change the language of the device that you are currently connected. And the second way to do this is to perform the reset of this device. So take a look. Now I've got the English on my iPhone, but I'm gonna actually change it into the Polish language. So I have to go into this one, I have to drag the Polish language, set it as a main language on my iPhone. And now the screen goes off, and now when I open it, as you can see, my band is in the Polish language, but previously it was in the English. And if you want to perform this second way, if you want to use the second way of changing language on this device, you will have to actually click on the side button, scroll all the way down, select settings. And now when you go for this settings icon one more time, you should pick this option to reset your band. And after this, you will be welcome with this new setup screen, with this first setup screen, where you can actually pick the language. So there's like only two ways to change the language, and right now please subscribe to my channel.